Hey, what's up, guys? Hope everybody's doing well and having a great day. In this video, you're going to see not only one, but two examples, two very good examples of a large white cylinder cruising through the daytime sky. We're going to come back and take a look at that exceptional video footage here in just a moment. We're also going up to the International Space Station. You're going to see large beams spanning for over 1,000 miles across the skies of planet Earth. And here recently, we've seen an increase, a large increase of near-Earth objects, NEOs. And here's an example of one that came inside the atmosphere. Video footage sent in by Sean Michael Cipriano of a bright, fiery meteor cruising through the nighttime sky. This video has narration, and here we go.
I don't know, another UFO, man.
Anybody got a chance? Look to the left and look to the sky. I gotta look to the sky, look to the sky.
Yeah, look to the east.
Sky though, I think that's
Gone.
That was observed by multiple people. Once again, video footage sent in by Sean Michael of a fiery, I'm assuming that was a meteor going through the nighttime sky. He was looking towards the east, and I'm assuming this object was traveling from east to west. Thank you, Sean. Really appreciate that. Coming over here to the homepage of the website, today's feature photo was sent in by Mo Simmons out of Mobile, Alabama, of a big void he spotted in the early morning sky above Mobile, Alabama. Almost looks like there was something sitting here in the sky for a brief moment in time, leaving this very unique shape in the sky above Mobile, Alabama. Checking in on the GOES X-ray flux over here at the Space Weather Prediction Center. A little bit of activity here in the last 6 hours, so we could see an increase in solar activity. Looks like the sun is starting to get cranked up a little bit. Checking in on the Schumann resonance, all quiet the last 48 hours. Hopping over to the Yellowstone supervolcano caldera, looking at the seismographs that monitor the mighty supervolcano. A little bit of earthquake activity up here at Mammoth Vault and over here in the very active northwestern quadrant, but no large earthquake activity or magma intrusion for that matter at the supervolcano caldera. Have some more Franken-Carrots to share with you guys from various locations around the world. We're going to North Scotland. Photos sent in by Jen and Phil Webster of a true freak of nature. Get a load of this carrot or carrots. I don't know if that's 1 or 10, all wrapped up together, coming out of the ground as one mixed carrot. And this one here has got to be some sort of a world record. Check this out. This carrot is as long as her forearm here. I mean, are you serious right now? That thing probably weighed 3 or 4 pounds and was probably somewhere in the neighborhood of 12 to 16 inches long. Just incredible. Going to Missouri, Armstrong, Missouri. Photos sent in by Valeri from November 6th of 2023 of yet another bizarre carrot that came up out of the ground. A collection of carrots that, for whatever reasons, grew together. Photos out of Missouri and northern Scotland. Thank you, guys. Really appreciate that. Going up to the International Space Station, looking at something in the sky above planet Earth. These very large, distinct beams or voids in the clouds above the Earth that span for probably 1,000 miles. Photos sent in by Mary Hall from the ISS LiveCam. This is the first photo she shared with me, and here's the second photo of yet more beams spanning for at least several hundred miles. That's in the visible field of view, quite possibly spanning for well over 1,000 miles. Very unique photos. I don't think I've ever seen anything quite like this from the International Space Station LiveCam. Thank you, Mary. Really appreciate that. Make sure you stop in and check out Mary's YouTube channel. You can find a link down below in the description box. Now to the daytime cylinders. The first video was sent in by Mr. Big. Not sure of the location, as he didn't give me the location of this video footage. You're going to see what looks like a security camera on the front of his house. You're going to see some sort of a giant bird up here on the roof line of his house. Watch over here on the left side of the screen. You're going to see a white cylinder enter the field of view. This video is unedited. It's at original speed. Whatever this was moving through the sky at a pretty good clip. Right there it is. Doesn't appear to have a tail fin. It's not an airplane. I've zoomed in on this thing multiple times, as you're going to see here in this video. In fact, we're going to zoom in a little closer. I'm going to make some modifications for presentation purposes, trying to pull forward any type of tail fin or wings or engines, and there are none to be seen. This is some sort of a white cylinder that was picked up on his security camera cruising through the daytime sky. Again, this is at original speed. If that was an airplane, that would be moving way too fast at that altitude. That would be coming in for a landing, and that's moving way too fast. That's only about 1,500 feet off the ground. In this modification here, all it shows is any type of physical structure in the sky, and as you can see, this looks like some sort of a cylinder or a disc. There's no tail fin, no wings, no engine hanging off of any potential wings. That is some sort of a white cylinder just cruising through at a pretty good clip through the daytime sky. I think that's way too fast for an airplane. That is at original speed, and the bird even caught a glimpse of it, and he decided to take off and get off that roof line. That was some sort of a large bird sitting on the roof of that house. Check that thing out. Probably a 6-7 foot wingspan on that bird. And I have yet another video of a white cylinder that was spotted this week in the daytime sky. This video out of Southern Illinois, sent in by Norma Jean Smith from November 6th of 2023. Here we go. Looks like the same exact object moving through the daytime sky. This video too is unedited. All I've done is zoom in. This is at original speed. Looks like this is moving at the same speed as the first video that we just saw, at about the same altitude. Moving along at a pretty good clip in broad daylight, some sort of a bright white cylinder with no tail fin, no wings, and no engines. Here's another look at these really cool photos sent in by Mary Hall from 250 miles above planet Earth. These mysterious beams spotted in the sky out over the oceans. I'm assuming this is above the Pacific or the Atlantic. It looks all blue, so more than likely this is one of the large oceans, and for whatever reasons, there were long, mysterious beams in the sky. Just a couple of days ago, this was photo number 1, and here's photo number 2. And once again, these long, mysterious dark beams were probably spanning well over 1,000 miles above planet Earth. Thanks for the photos and videos, guys. Keep them coming. If you guys have any photos you'd like to share, you can send those to reports at MrMBB333.com. If you guys have any videos you'd like to share that are too large to attach to the email, come over here to the homepage of the website. You can always find a link down below in the description box. Look for this red banner that says, "Have a large video." It's a Dropbox. Drag and drop your video into the Dropbox. Please include your first name, date, and location, and I'll take it from there. Thanks for watching. Have a super day, and be safe out there.